Hello and welcome back to our channel, where today we'll be reviewing the Stanley Ranch by Auberge Resorts here in Napa Valley, California. It's truly a stunning property situated on 712 acres of ranch land. You'll find it about 10 minutes from downtown Napa, which is packed with great shops and restaurants. Those visiting from a major city such as San Francisco will have to drive about an hour to reach the resort. Once I arrived, I was immediately escorted by a friendly staff member into the reception area, which feels really cozy, elegant, and luxurious thanks to all of the furniture options and various decor. If you walk straight ahead along the pathway from the reception room, you'll come across several of Stanley Ranch's amenities, which includes a garden where all of the fresh produce is grown and used in the property's restaurant. Bear is the main a la carte restaurant on property, offering fresh farm-to-table dining for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. At Bear, you'll be able to dine either inside or outside on a sun-drenched patio. Each of the tables are designed for families or travel groups with 3 to 4 people. Adjacent to Bear is Gavel, serving as Stanley Ranch's coffee shop. It's the perfect place to grab a morning coffee or latte alongside a pastry. There are several sweet and savory options to choose from, including scones, croissants, and cookies. All of the coffee drinks are barista quality and involve the use of freshly grounded coffee beans. Now, let's take a look at the on-site pool, also known as the lavender pool, which is surrounded by various lavender flowers. It's truly one of the nicest pools I've seen at a resort and feels incredibly peaceful thanks to the various poolside chairs and hot tubs. There are 3 hot tubs found adjacent to the pool, and you can also order poolside snacks and drinks. Stanley Ranch also has a gym and spa. However, they're a 5 to 8 minute walk from the garden, and it's simply more efficient to take a golf cart if you prefer to maximize time. Several spa treatments, such as facials and massages, are available. However, they're not included in your stay and will cost extra. The gym at Stanley Ranch is well stocked and comes with a variety of cardio equipment and weights. Within it is a yoga studio where you'll be able to register for a meditation class or yoga session. Near both the gym and spa is a massive infinity sign, serving as the focal point of the entire property. It's truly the best spot to watch the sunset across the entire ranch, providing a gorgeous view. Now, let's talk about the rooms and accommodations at Stanley Ranch. The property features 135 rooms, which include suites and cottages, branded as farmhouses according to Auberge Resorts. During my stay, I was booked into a modern and luxurious 2-bedroom suite. Both bedrooms in the suite are very similar and come separated with a common living room area. The living room features a TV, plush couch, and dining table. There is even an outside patio, which feels very relaxing and the perfect place to soak in an afternoon book with some sunshine. I love how the furniture overlooks the vineyards, providing some really great views. Meanwhile, the bedroom itself features a bed accented with throw pillows and nightstands on either side. The soft cottons and light-toned fabrics really make this a comfortable space to sleep. There's also plenty of closet space and even a vanity mirror. The bathroom is well furnished with black sink bowls, cream-colored flooring, and an outdoor shower. There's also an indoor shower, and the bathtub is really spacious. The window panels in the bathroom really allow for plenty of natural light during the day. Now, let's talk about booking a stay at Stanley Ranch. Staying here is really expensive and can cost anywhere from $624 to $1,900 per night, depending on the room type. Additionally, Auberge Resorts implements an additional room fee of $75 for each room per night. If you want to maximize your purchase, you can do so by booking through a travel portal such as Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts. Booking via American Express using a qualifying credit card like the Platinum Card makes it possible to earn points through your purchase and enjoy a $100 on-property credit, as well as a host of other extra benefits like early check-in, late checkout, and, if available, room upgrades. Overall, I had a fantastic stay at Stanley Ranch thanks to the hospitable and polite service provided by the resort staff. They were really friendly and always checked in on me whenever I was about to leave the resort and go out into Napa Valley. It's small things like this that truly make the guest feel welcome. Best of all, the peaceful vineyard environment of Napa provides a refreshing break from the hustle and bustle of a big city like San Francisco. With all of this said, thank you so much for watching and sticking around. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Also, you can follow us on Instagram, which I've linked in the description below. Bye for now, and safe travels.